मेरे से तो नहीं हो पाएगा ये, बहुत फट रही है यार। I'm so nervous. मेरा पेट भी गुड़गुड़ कर रहा है, पता है। वो थैंकफुली म्यूजिक चल रहा है, उसको सुनाई नहीं देगा, लेकिन स्टिल बहुत प्रेशर डाल रही हूँ यार मैं इसके ऊपर। यही प्रॉब्लम है, जब भी दिल और रोमांस की बात आ जाती है ना, तो अपने आप ही होप्स और एक्सपेक्टेशंस पता नहीं कहाँ चले जाते हैं। बट यू नो व्हाट, the actual question is, should I even be expecting anything from this person I've never met before? What if... Hi, Dev, right?
You are Sanya?
Yeah.
This is not what I expected.
What? मैं भी पता नहीं क्या क्या सोच रही हूँ, अभी डेट तो शुरू भी नहीं हुई है। कहाँ से कहाँ चला गया मेरा दिमाग। कोई ऐसा बेस्ट वर्स्ट इमेजिनेशन अवार्ड है, मुझे मिलेगा पक्का। ओके, नो सानिया, योर ओवर थिंकिंग एज ऑलवेज। जस्ट हॉट दिखना है जो मैं दिख रही हूँ, और स्मार्ट बातें करनी है, विच आई कैन डू, आई थिंक। दैट्स ऑल। हॉट दिखना है, स्मार्ट बातें करनी है। हॉट दिखना है, स्मार्ट बातें करनी है। Hi.
Hey.
Dev, right?
Sanya.
Yeah.
Please.
I'm sorry I'm late. I got stuck in traffic and got late.
No worries, no problem.
Were you waiting for a while?
Not long, not long. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
Very good.
Awesome.
Good, good.
It's a little awkward, but I've been thinking something and I feel like I should just say it because we've been texting for a while and we've gotten to know each other pretty well. But it still feels like I'm sitting in front of a stranger right now. I'm sorry if it's offensive to say.
Not at all. Honestly, I was thinking the same thing. I've been over this meeting for like 10-15 times in my head.
Yeah?
अब कैसी होंगी, हम क्या खाएंगे, हम क्या बात करेंगे, मीटिंग कैसी जाएगी, same.
तो कैसी जा रही है मीटिंग?
Well, from the first moment I saw you, I knew it started better than I could have ever imagined.
अच्छी लाइनें मार लेता है। I don't know how to respond to that, so I'm just gonna call the waiter. Waiter?
Hi, good evening.
Hi.
Good menu for you.
Thank you.
Good menu for you, sir.
Thank you. What would you like to have, Sanya, madam?
Salad. I'll just have the aloe citrus salad with water.
Are you ordering the salad because we're on a date?
No, I mean, I just feel like having a salad right now. I feel like having a butter chicken.
I will order a burrata caramelized onion ring pastry.
That's an interesting choice.
Yeah.
I'm sure about that.
Let's see.
So Dev, tell me what you've been reading.
Oh, I'm so glad you asked that question. So I've been reading Lewis Carroll. You would know about Alice in Wonderland, right?
Of course. In fact, one of the earliest illustrations that I had made when I just started out designing was that of Mad Hatter at the tea party. Yeah.
Wow. You have to show that illustration to me someday,
For
please.
sure. I'll bring it by sometime.
Wonderful. Lovely, lovely. I would love to see you. And I would love to show you my work as well.
I would love to see that.
Great. So, a graphic designer in a huge city here?
So what's your favorite kind of dessert?
Well, chocolate ice cream I really like.
I like butterscotch. Acha, this is where I live.
Oh, looks like a fun place to live in.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you want to come up for coffee?
No, yeah, coffee at this hour means मेरी रात की नींद समझो गई. So I'll pass today. But I had a lovely time. Thank
I
you
had
so
a great
much.
time too. Don't thank me. You sure you don't want to come up?
No, tomorrow I have a morning lecture to attend.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good night then.
Good night.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
I'll see you.
Yeah.
The move that I made on him, was that too much? Maybe he just wants to take it slow. And it's not that bad an idea to just take it slow right now, right? I feel like I'm gonna go on many dates with him. अभी रिप्लाई नहीं करती. He'll be like कितनी चेप है, कुछ और काम नहीं है इसके पास. यार ये देव से 2 हफ्ते से बात कर रही हूँ मैं, and I'm sensing a pattern now. ये हमेशा मैं ही क्यों पहले मैसेज करती हूँ? ये कभी सामने से क्यों नहीं मैसेज करता? And whenever I'll message, he'll respond immediately. And whenever I'll suggest that we should go on a date, he'll be like, yeah, sure, let's go on a date. Exciting conversations हैं, flirt भी बहुत करता है, but कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. पहले मुझे लगता था क्या बंदा है, he doesn't mind me taking the lead, and मुझे ये hard to get वाला ड्रामा नहीं करना पड़ेगा इसके साथ. But अब थोड़ा irritating हो रहा है. Am I being weird for thinking so much about this relationship? Am I being weird for having these many expectations in this relationship? Wait, is this even a fucking relationship? That's Sameer.
ये तो टेंशन वाली शक्ल है. No problem. I have a solution.
What is this?
तेरा फेवरेट रोड साइड चाइनीज.
बाबा समीर, आप मजिशियन हो यार. तो सब सही चीज सही टाइम पे करना एकदम कैसे आता है आपको?
टैलेंट है.
टू टैलेंटेड. अच्छा लिसन, ये देव का मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
क्या हुआ?
Initially I used to think he's just trying to take things slow, which is fine. But बातें बहुत करता है. You know, like whenever I text him, immediately he'll respond. And we've met so many times. We text almost all day. And dude, the chemistry, it's too good.
Yeah?
It's sizzling.
क्या बात है.
But there's no physical contact. And he never makes a move.
इसने अपने माँ बाप के दिए नाम को कुछ ज्यादा ही सीरियसली ले लिया. तुझे देव नहीं देवता मिला है, देवता. Dude, seriously, you guys have never kissed? Then maybe he's one of those.
What?
Someone who believes in post-wedding coitus.
Shut up, यार समीर. This is a serious problem. ऐसे अशुभ बातें मत बोल.
हाँ, अभी देव ने बोला होता ना, you would have been swooning. But on a serious note, I think मेरे दिमाग में अभी सिर्फ 2 ही words आ रहे हैं. Performance, anxiety.
Sameer, I'm such an idiot, यार. This is really serious, huh? I'm like actually stressed about this. क्या गेम है इसका?
कौन लगा? देख, I don't think friend zone किया है, क्योंकि बातें नॉर्मल कर रहा है. फ्लोट भी काफी खुल के
है ना?
बच्चा सान्या, तुम इससे बाबा समीर से क्यों नहीं मिलाते? Maybe he swings the other way around. You know, I have a radar.
मैं radar अपनी तुम जेब में रखो. I don't want it. Just give me an actual solution to this problem.
Do you remember my older boyfriend? The one I was dating last year.
I know.
So he was very confused. तो हुआ क्या? Once I invited him to my place. He was a little hesitant at first, but then we had a great time together. Maybe Dev is also confused.
That's what, na. Every time we've gone out, I've invited him over, but kabhi ghar nahi aata wo. And it's like really weird because now it's embarrassing for me also to keep asking over and over again. Like, I don't have a problem taking initiative, but kabhi to wo bhi effort karega na. I can't keep doing all the work.
Then I think it's time for that conversation.
Which one?
It's where we are going wali bullshit.
I can't.
Dude, come on, you have to do this. Before you get any deeper into this relationship, please do it.
तभी इसको कैसे बताऊं that I've already started falling in love with him. And इतना क्या confusion है वैसे? मैं ही क्यों हमेशा first move करूं? वो भी तो कर सकता है ना सामने से text. He's right. I should just put an end to this. I can't take this anymore. फोन दे मेरा. अक्षता.
Hi.
Hi. समीर चाइनीज लाया डेफ कॉल वाली वैन से.
चाइनीज?
अरे रोड साइड चाउमीन.
Ariana, let's have some greasy food and some juicy gossip.
तो कभी बंद करेगा अपना यार एक बार? क्या हुआ?
Dude, are you okay?
Yeah, no, nothing. Well, it's just this thing with my client is not working out, so my heart's not really in it.
But it'll be fine. Like इतना stress मत ले. It's okay.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll be fine. It'll be fine. So, roadside Chinese, you guys know that they put dog meat in it, right?
There goes my appetite.
Acha, I've texted him. I've told him we need to talk.
Great.
That's a good line. We need to talk.
Sanya, you seem quite off today, silent actually. Everything good?
Yeah, babe, I know we haven't been seeing each other for that long and हमारी इतने दिनों से बात भी नहीं हो रही है, but I've just been wondering about where we are going.
Where what is going?
Us, I mean, what are we doing here?
We are having a good time, we are having conversations and we are seeing जहाँ भी हमारी बातें ले जाएं हम वहाँ जाएंगे.
Dev, I like you and I thought you liked me back and we've been flirting so much and it's just that in this relationship I feel like I'm super involved and you are not that bothered.
Relationship? Sanya, I am not looking for a romantic involvement and I'm sorry if I led you on because and you must have noticed I've not made any move on you and you're very interesting, you're very beautiful and I really want
Hang on. So what about all the flirting and all the late night texting? You were just being polite. That was just casual conversation?
This is how I talk. There's a difference between being polite and flirting, right?
Come on, man. You're telling me we were not flirting and we were just, what, friends, is what you're saying right now.
Hey, I was just trying to be nice and...
Okay. Why didn't you tell me from the start that you didn't want a romantic relationship?
Hey, it's understandable. I'm really sorry. I should have been clearer, but honestly, I think I was. And
yeah, you were not clear. That was not clear at all.
Okay, I'm sorry. And you're a mature person. You'll get over this.
I'll get over it? Are you fucking serious?
Sanya, come on.
Okay, fuck it. This conversation is not going anywhere.
Sanya.
But I will leave. And thank you for wasting my time and I will not be seeing you around. And you did lead me on.
Hey. Hey.
Sanya. Listen. Are you okay?
How are you here? तुम्हें पता कैसे चला मुझे कहाँ ढूंढना है?
अपना फोन चेक करो सान्या. कम से कम 10 कॉल करी है तुम्हें. एक मीटिंग के चक्कर में मुझे दिल्ली आना था तो तुम्हारी मॉम ने अक्षिता का नंबर दिया और अक्षिता ने बताया कि तुम मुझे यहाँ मिलोगी. सो आई थॉट तुम्हें सरप्राइज करता हूँ. बट ऑनेस्टली तुम्हें ऐसे देख करके ना मैं खुद ही सरप्राइज हो गया हूँ.
You must be happy ना? देख क्या क्या एक्सपीरियंस करने मिल रहा है अब यहाँ पे.
Do you really think कि तुम्हें इस तरह देख करके I'll be feeling happy?
I'm just tired. अपनी ड्रीम लाइफ ढूंढते ढूंढते यहाँ आ गई और क्या क्या चक्करों में फंस गई. अपनी पुरानी लाइफ ही सही थी. सब जाना पहचाना था. ऐसे कोई पंगे नहीं थे.
सान्या, मैं तुम्हें बचपन से जानता हूँ और इससे ज्यादा वाहियात बात करते हुए मैंने आज तक तुम्हें कभी नहीं सुना. और देख, तू ही बोला करती थी ना कि लाइफ में सब कुछ एक एक्सपीरियंस की तरह लेना चाहिए. तो आज जो भी हुआ उसे इस एक्सपीरियंस की तरह लो. आगे बढ़ो यार. अच्छा मुझे ऑनेस्टली एक बात बताओ. आज जो कुछ भी हुआ उसके अलावा यू आर हैप्पी हियर, राइट? Then Sanya, that is all that matters. See, तुम यहाँ अपनी ड्रीम जॉब करने के लिए आई थी और देखो तुम अपनी ड्रीम सिटी में हो. प्लीज हमेशा ध्यान रख, तू यहाँ पे नई चीजें एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए आई थी ना, और अब जब यहाँ आई गई है तो मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट. और देखो, अगर मुझे रांची में अपने लिए एक सोलमेट मिल सकती है ना, तो तुम्हें तुम्हारा हीरो भी यहीं कहीं मिल जाएगा।
देखा मैंने तेरी एंगेजमेंट पिक्चर। शी सीम्स लाइक अ गुड इन्फ्लुएंस ऑन यू। बड़ी बड़ी बातें भी कर रहा है तू। वैसे कहाँ मिली?
टिंडर पे।
फेक मत, सीरियसली?
ये
वेरी क्यूट। ये बैठेगी मिष्ठान भंडार पे?
मेरे दिल में बैठेगी यार। ऑनेस्टली सान्या, अच्छा लग रहा है तुम्हें हंसते हुए देख करके। हमेशा याद रखना यार, तुम अपने घर वालों से लड़के यहाँ पे अपनी ड्रीम लाइफ जीने के लिए आई थी, और अब जब यहाँ आई गई हो तो एक्सपीरियंस एज मच एज यू कैन, दिल खोल के।
अच्छा, तेरा काम खत्म हो गया? तू वापस कब जा रहा है?
कल सुबह की फ्लाइट है।
अच्छा 2 मिनट रुकेगा, मैं जस्ट जाके आती हूँ। Anshul is happy, and I'm really happy for him. No, really, I'm really happy for him. And वो सही कह रहा था, एक bad experience की वजह से I shouldn't just stop putting myself out there. And seeing him this happy made me feel like I want the same for me also. So yeah.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi. Are you okay? You seem to be disturbed out there.
No, I'm fine. Wait, did you just come in here to check on me?
Well, yeah. I mean, honestly, I couldn't help myself.
Okay. Thank you.
So, boyfriend, जो बाहर खड़ा था?
Oh, ex-boyfriend.
Okay. Listen, I don't really know what happened out there, but I think I heard you talking about love.
Oh. Yeah.
देखो, मैं ज़्यादा कुछ तो नहीं कहूँगी, पर let me tell you this. Love is really about finding yourself. So, I hope you can do that. And I hope you can figure things out.
That's actually really nice. Oh, thanks. ये क्या था? हुआ क्या अभी? Was she really flirting with me? She was really flirting with me. वरना अपना नंबर क्यों देती? She was quite something. क्या सोच रही हूँ मैं? मेरे माँ बाप को पता चल गया तो डिसोन कर देंगे, और रिलेटिव्स तो खैर क्या ही सोचेंगे. I don't know what I'm thinking right now. But I'm feeling something that I've kind of not felt in a while. Maybe I shouldn't deny it. I can't think of all of this right now. I kind of loved the attention she gave me. Like I got really excited. फिर से वही वाली बेचैनी हो रही है, you know, that board exam result वाली. I just don't want to end up doing something really stupid, you know.